Alright guys, so we discussed about the images guidelines from Amazon side, but else that how do we or recommend that you should be using your images in the Amazon site. So you should use main image with white spacing, okay, white plain background, and your product covering 85% of the area. Okay, this is the first and it's compulsory, right? And the second image, you can show your branding, your packaging image, right? And in the third image and onward, you can use lifestyle images, right? Lifestyle images. And in fourth or fifth, you can say in fifth image, you can use infographics like product specs and features and size infographics, all of that. So you can use in the later on images all of these we have written here, but in the first you should be aware that you just need to use white spacing and plain white background and 85% of area covered by your image, and product video, but it's just for brand registered sellers. So these are basically the recommendation that while you upload your images, so you should keep the sequence of your images in this way.